Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today we're making restaurant style garlic chili chicken in about 15 minutes. Epic recipe, you've got to try this one. Right, really quickly guys, we've got 1 onion, a bunch of coriander, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 2 green chilies and 5 garlic cloves. All of this is going to be chopped and put in my food processor and blended. Right, perfect, this looks lovely. Let's get this into our bowl. Okay, our beautiful chili paste is ready. We're going to go ahead and move on to our chicken. Right guys, I've got 3 chicken thighs here, which I'm just going to trim down and slice into small cubes. Okay guys, I've got 1 cup of plain flour here and I'm just going to quickly season this with a touch of granulated garlic, a pinch of pepper, a sprinkle of smoked paprika and just a tiny touch, just a tiny pinch of salt. Okay, stir your ingredients together. Okay guys, we're just going to go ahead and just season our chicken with our flour. So we're just going to go in with some chicken pieces. Right guys, our chicken is nicely floured. We're going to clean down and then we're going to place this in some hot oil. Right guys, this oil is about 125, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and get our chicken in. Right guys, this has been going for about 90 seconds, 2 minutes. So we're just going to go ahead and flip this chicken. Right guys, I think this is ready to be taken out. We've been cooking for about 5 minutes and this chicken is just turning slightly golden, which is exactly what we're looking for. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and just place it on my rack. Okay guys, let's get our second batch of chicken in. Okay guys, we're just going to take a look at this chicken. Now that's the perfect colour right there. It's slightly golden, but still a little bit blonde. That's exactly what you want. You don't want it too crispy at this stage, okay? That's exactly what we're looking for. Right, our second batch is done. Let's go ahead and drain this and place it on our rack. Right guys, there you have it. There's very mildly spiced, just slightly browned fried chicken, and this is going to make the most amazing chili garlic chicken in just a few moments. Right guys, final stage of our dish, we're going to go in with a touch of olive oil and then moving back to our chili paste that we made earlier. This is going to go straight in and we're just going to fry this out. Okay guys, this has been sauteing for about 5 or 6 minutes. It's reduced in size, it's cooking out. I'm just going to give it another 2 or 3 minutes before we add the rest of our ingredients. It's looking outstanding. Right, our chili paste has been sauteing for about 10 minutes. It's about reduced to about 1/4 of its original size. This is looking outstanding. Let's go in with our soy sauce. Right, so the soy sauce is obviously going to be very salty, which is why we didn't add any salt in the seasoning earlier. And let's go in with 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, a touch of apple cider vinegar, so about 1 tablespoon, and a good drizzle of honey. Give everything a good stir. Let it get nice and sticky and spicy. Wonderful, our sauce is getting nice and sticky, which means it's ready for our chicken. We're almost there now guys, almost there. Just gonna slice up some of this coriander. Right guys, let's plate up. And there's only one way to do this really, just pile it all on. Okay guys, and we're going to finish this dish off with some toasted sesame seeds. And then we're just going to garnish with a touch of fresh coriander. Right guys, there you have it. This is my coriander chili garlic chicken. Outstanding recipe. Right guys, I can't wait to get stuck in. This is one of my all-time favorite meals. It's sweet, it's sour, it's spicy, it's got tang from the vinegar. It's just an all-round epic dish, really satisfying. I'm gonna go ahead and get stuck in, but before I do, guys, if you're enjoying my content, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and hit us up in the comments below. All that stuff really helps us. Anyway, enough talking, I'm gonna get stuck in. Guys, this dish is beautiful. It's got everything. Please make this one at home. It's really simple to do. But guys, this isn't just delicious. This is Sunny's effing delicious.